How's it going, YouTube? Tyler the Hotshot Hauler here, bringing another grease comparison video for you all between Lucus Extra Heavy Duty Grease and Schaeffer's 219 Grease. Reason for this video is these are the greases that I primarily use in my day-to-day operations, and they're both fantastic products, and I wanted to go over them with you. The information will be coming from these sheets in front of you, along with technical data sheets that I have behind the camera. Schaeffer's offered a lot more information on their product versus Lucus. They didn't have as much information on the product, that's just it is what it is. Let's get started. All right, guys, so moving on with the video, let's get started with the comparison of these greases. So let's talk about the chemical makeup of these greases. So first and foremost, the Lucus heavy duty grease uses polyurea as its thickener, and the Schaeffer 219 uses a aluminum complex that is blended with polyphalophene, PAO, I don't know how to say the word, and it also has synthesized moly in it. So let's talk about moly real quick. Moly essentially is something that you want to have in grease for when you have any type of application with bearings or moving components where maybe you're not able to grease a lot, or you have a lot of outside contamination. Now, what moly does is it basically lays down a film on the, let's just say, a bearing, and protects it from the outside of dirt and stuff getting in, but it also, that film leaves a lubrication film, so it helps to prevent the breakdown of the grease and the lubrication properties. That's why it's so vital for the mining and construction industry to have moly in their greases for all of their stuff that's exposed to the elements and to any type of, like a moving thing on like a bearing for loader lift arms and all that type of stuff. So moly is very, very important, but it's only used in certain applications, and be cognizant of that. But let's go over these sheets. So first and foremost, both of these greases are rated number 2 from the NLGI. Schaeffer's has a 219 grease that is also rated at number 1, and that can be determined if you have, it's not focusing, but if it had a red cap on it, it would be the number 1 rated. So both these greases are the number 2 rated. And let's get started with these numbers and go over what they actually mean here for the most part, okay? Both these greases are green in color, which doesn't matter. The penetration number, okay? So all this information over here, let me move this a little bit closer here for you guys. All this number over here on the penetration. So over here on the Lucus sheet, you can see that the penetration just has one number of 285, and over here on Schaeffer's, they have tons of stuff. Well, this is actually measured at 60 strokes. And so the higher the number, the softer the grease. So that means that so over here at Schaeffer's, it's a 273, and over here at Lucus, it's a 285. So the grease is a little bit softer from the Lucus. So that means that it sunk in a little bit more. Really nothing too big there for that really matter. There's not a whole lot of difference there. Okay, for the dropping point, they're both rated at 500. So that is the same. Water washout, this is a big one. You come down here, the Lucus is rated at a 10% water washout. So what that means is 10% of that grease after the washout test was gone. Whereas with the Schaeffer's, 5.57% of the grease was gone. So you have approximately 4.5% more grease left with Schaeffer's. Okay. Moving on, the rust prevention is very simply both the same. It's just a pass. It's a 1 is a pass. There's nothing to that. For the copper corrosion rating, okay, this is a 1B. This is a 1A. 1A is better than 1B. The rating goes up to 1D is the worst, and 1A is better than 1B. So Schaeffer has the Lucus beat on that. Moving down, oil separation, okay? That means that the Lucus lost 5% of its percentage, and the Schaeffer lost 4.4. So Schaeffer once again beat this grease by about 0.6%. Let's talk about the biggest thing with this grease, okay? Now, this one is kind of a little bit funny, but so for the wear test for the weld point. So if you don't know what grease welding is, look it up. It's actually pretty fascinating, but this number is very important if you're ever working under high shock, high pressure type loads. Now, the testing stops at 800. So the Lucus heavy duty grease is only rated to a 400 weld point. The Schaeffer's grease is rated above 800 because they're unable to test above 800. And all of Schaeffer's grease is rated to that. So they don't actually even know how good the grease is because they can't test it any higher. So that'll be interesting to see down the road. Now, however, let's talk about the load wear index. Now, Lucus has Schaeffer's beat significantly on the load wear index. You can see over here it's a 138.7 for Schaeffer's and a 50 for Lucus. So Lucus lost the weld, but they did better on the wear index, which was a little bit surprising to me on that, but they did take the victory in that. The next thing we want to talk about here is really the only other thing that really matters on this sheet is these really don't even matter. The viscosity numbers, as you can see, because they have different ones on here versus what they have on here. But they are the ones that are the closest are 14.6 versus 14.5 and 142 versus 145. So really, there's really no difference in that. It's really it's such a minor difference, it really doesn't matter. The only big thing is with the Schaeffer's 219 grease that it has going for it, the big difference is that because of its chemical makeup, it has a lot better flow for the cold. Now, the extra heavy-duty grease flows fantastic in the cold. It doesn't have very many issues in the cold, but the 219 does have it beat, especially if you use battery-powered grease guns. I've always had better luck with 219 over the heavy-duty grease in electric grease guns. Now, which one do I use and why? Well, the reality is recently I switched to Schaeffer's 219 from Lucus. Reason for that is not only the product availability, but the pricing. And so I can get a tube of this Schaeffer's grease for about $8 a tube. It's actually less than $8 a tube because I buy in bulk. And the heavy duty grease, I can't even hardly find it as it is because the product availability is so bad. But it runs anywhere from $10 to $12 a tube. So I'm getting, according to these numbers for what I need, I'm getting a better grease for less cost. And I buy all my oils and everything from Schaeffer, so I get the grease at a much even cheaper price. So for me, it's a no-brainer to not buy Schaeffer's. But Lucus does have a fantastic grease. This is the best grease that Lucus offers, depending on the application. But this is a fantastic grease. Both of these greases can be used in wheel bearings. I know people ask that a lot. I use both of them in wheel bearings along with the Lucus Red and Tacky. And it's kind of interesting to test. Basically, I did a test and my Red and Tacky was running about 18 degrees hotter in my bearings than the Schaeffer's, and the extra heavy duty was running about 9 to 10 degrees. It was kind of fluctuating than the Schaeffer's. So the Schaeffer's kept my bearings the coolest, and according to the data before you, it does have the best water washout, best weld, and stuff like that. So overall, I think Schaeffer's makes the best grease on the market, but Lucus is definitely a solid runner-up for number 2, and they offer great products across the line. But anyways, guys, that sums it up. If you have any comments or questions or anything like that, please don't hesitate to ask. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. And yeah, guys, both of these grease options are fantastic. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.